Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Olivier here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. For those of you that have just stumbled onto my channel or are here for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. I mean that. And for those of you that are already familiar with my channel and have already been following me, thank you so much for that continued support. I really do appreciate it. So we're now into day 18 of my 3K 31 days challenge. For those of you that are already following me will know that I've basically been exploring various different ways and strategies and methods of generating money online. Now, what I'm going to be talking about in this video is cryptocurrency. I've had a lot of people asking me if I've invested in cryptocurrency, if I'm even interested in cryptocurrency. The answer to all of those is yes. I haven't talked about it on this channel because I didn't really think that to really talk about it, but as you've asked for it, I'm going to talk about it. So yes, I've invested in quite a few cryptocurrency coins already. For those of you that don't know what cryptocurrency is, all it is basically a form of money, digital money if you like, and each coin represents a various different project. They all have projects behind them. The ones that you probably are familiar with, for those of you that are not too familiar with cryptocurrency, is probably Bitcoin, is quite a popular one. Another one would be Ethereum. But again, there are a whole host of other cryptocurrencies. There's absolutely hundreds of cryptocurrencies that exist at the moment. So yes, I've invested in quite a few coins. But I've really done it for the long term. So a lot of people do it for the short term and do it on a daily basis. Me, I don't. I really just kind of invest it for the long term. I've put a bulk of money into cryptocurrency and kind of left it there. Now, for those of you that want to know which coins I've invested in, if you've even got an interest in that, then why don't you hit a comment down below? And it's funny because if you watch various different people on cryptocurrency, they will always put a disclaimer along the lines of, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you seek financial advice from a professional, etc., etc. So yeah, it's quite funny that people talk about cryptocurrencies but always have that disclaimer. So I'm about to put the same disclaimer. I'm not an expert, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your due diligence and look into your coins. I think cryptocurrency is definitely an exciting one. I think there's potentially money to be made in cryptocurrency. I know it was last year around December time where it went crazy. People made millions out of cryptocurrency because Bitcoin just shot up the roof. And Bitcoin, for those of you that are not familiar with cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is the main coin, and if that goes up, then all the other smaller coins, which are known as altcoins, will also shoot up. And last year in December, it just went crazy. I think at its highest it went to $16,000. Each coin was worth $16,000. I'm not sure of the exact figure, but it was around that. It was crazy. So yeah, I wish I got in at that time. I didn't hold a Bitcoin at that point, but I did hold some Ethereum, which is the second from Bitcoin, and I've held some other altcoins as well. But like I said, I'm not going to go into it too much because I think that's a whole topic on its own. But if you do want to know more, then make sure you hit a comment down below. So yeah, I thought I'd shoot a quick video really just to let you to answer your question, really, because I try to be as responsive to you guys as I can. I try to answer all questions and I try to put them out in a video if I don't answer you individually. So I hope that's all good. Anyway guys, so like I said, I'm into day 18 of my 3K 31 days challenge. I'm going to be putting out a video in terms of how much I've made since the challenge has started. Not really sure how far or close I am to my target, but it'll be exciting to see. I've got a lot of things ticking over, a lot of projects pending. So yeah, if you've already been following me on my channel, make sure you stay tuned. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. So if you did like this video, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button also. And if you want to be kept up to date of my other videos, and particularly my 3K 31 days challenge, then make sure you hit that bell icon, that little notifications bell, so that every time I throw a video out there, you will be notified about it as and when it happens. Anyway, I will look forward to seeing you on my next video guys. Take care, stay blessed, and I'll speak to you soon.